Hello, scrapers! Still searching Google Maps manually for business data? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Google Maps scraper by domains in Outscraper to get Google Maps data using domains as your query. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. To use this service, select Services and search on Google Maps Search by Domains. Google Maps Search by Domains finds places by using domains as your query. Paste your list of websites that you want to search in Google Maps for. Add the country and the limit per one query. To get emails for lead generation, use email and contact scraper as an enrichment. Once everything is set, click Get Data. Here, you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. Click Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. Once the process is done, download your data by clicking this button. And that's how you use Google Maps Search by Domains in Outscraper to get Google Maps data by using domains as your query. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!